The Xiaomi 15 Ultra stands as a groundbreaking achievement in smartphone innovation, redefining mobile photography in 2025 with its cutting-edge hardware, refined aesthetics, and a professional-grade camera system that rivals traditional DSLRs. Introduced globally in February 2025, this flagship device showcases Xiaomi's most ambitious leap in mobile imaging, highlighted by its revolutionary 200MP Samsung HP9 periscope telephoto lens, co-engineered with Leica, featuring an 8.6x optical zoom and optical image stabilization, making it the largest and most powerful periscope sensor ever seen in a smartphone. Its quad camera system offers unmatched versatility, combining a 50mm Sony LYT900 1-inch main sensor, a 50mm 70mm telephoto, a 50mm ultra-wide lens, and the show-stopping 200mm periscope unit to cover a full 14mm 200mm mirror focal range, delivering outstanding clarity across every scenario from sweeping landscapes to distant subjects. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra doesn't just excel in photography, it's built with a retro camera-inspired design, aerospace-grade glass fiber, and eco-leather finishes in black, white, and Leica editions, offering premium style with ergonomic function. Enhancing the photography experience further is a physical kit including a detachable shutter button and thumb support, paired with Xiaomi's advanced AISP 2.0 image processing engine that ensures top-tier low-light and night photography. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite processor, along with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, powers a seamless experience, while the 5410 mAh battery and 90W hypercharge ensure all-day performance, even during intense photo sessions. Priced at $1,499, approximately $1,650, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra justifies its ultra-premium status, not only through features but also with its robust after-sales support, including free screen replacement and international warranty. Industry recognition, including record-breaking DxOMark scores, confirms its place at the pinnacle of smartphone photography. For content creators, professionals, and tech enthusiasts alike, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is more than just a phone. It's a complete imaging powerhouse, combining design, performance, and innovation into a single device that redefines what's possible in mobile imaging.